In this video, we'll demonstrate how to redeem your Spotify gift card. But before we dive in, I'd like to invite you to hit that like button if you're excited to learn about redeeming Spotify gift cards, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback helps us create better content for you. Are you wondering how to make the most of that Spotify gift card you just got? Stick around, and I'll guide you through the process of redeeming it on various devices. Firstly, ensure you have your Spotify code or gift card ready, whether it's physical or digital. If it's physical, gently scratch off the cover using something like a key or coin to reveal the code. Close the Spotify app on your device and open a web browser. Navigate to Spotify.com, redeem. Sign in to the Spotify account where you want to redeem your gift card. Once logged in, you'll land on a page that says Redeem Your Code. Enter the PIN from your physical gift card or the premium code from your digital receipt into the provided space. Complete the verification by clicking on I'm not a robot. After verification, click Continue. Spotify will display the value of your card and the number of months of Spotify Premium you'll get. Confirm your decision to redeem by clicking on Redeem. That's it. You've successfully redeemed your Spotify gift card, and you now have Spotify Premium. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like, comment, and subscribe with notifications on. Your likes and comments inspire us to create more content like this, and subscribing ensures you won't miss our future tutorials. For additional tutorials, visit our website at MediaMagnetGuide.com.